Hey, it's Gavin here. If you're wanting to find a quick and easy way to monitor videos on a YouTube channel, when they're uploaded, and then also be able to store information about, okay, it was published on this date, it was for this channel, what was the title, then this is going to be the perfect video for you because I'm going to show you how to do that in just a few quick steps with Zapier. So let's jump right into it. So let's say we want to monitor or do a bit of analysis on someone's YouTube channel, even if it's your own channel, if you want to keep better focus on when you're uploading your videos and type of thing and keep a track record. We can do that with Zapier, a very simple two-step setup. So in this case, all we need is really a YouTube channel, a YouTube trigger right at the start, and you have the option of new video in channel in YouTube. And the only real tricky part is just getting the channel ID. So let's say I'm a big fan of Boiler Room. Let's say I just want to build a list of all their cool new mixes and stuff like that. So let's say we're on Boiler Room's page. So we're going to find the channel ID at the top here. So it's youtube.com/channel and then a whole string of random characters. So in this example, that is what we want. And if you see in the Zap, that is what they describe. Watch for new videos uploaded with this channel. Channel ID looks like something like this. And in this case, just copy it over. You can do a test run as usual. Do a little test trigger. You'll see there's probably a good few options that popped up. And you see here, you get the published date, you get the channel ID, you get the title, you get the description, you get a whole bunch of information about the thumbnails and stuff like that, thumbnail title. And from that point on, all I've done is I set this up originally because I wanted to just get a notification email, but we could write this to a spreadsheet. For a business case, like I said, you could be writing all of this information to a spreadsheet instead of yourself doing it manually. And then you have a nice track record of all the things you actually uploaded. Or if you want to do analysis on someone else's channel, you can check the titles, you can check the thumbnail pixels, and you can check the publish date, see how frequently they're updating it. And you can do a bunch of really cool stuff with that. I mean, there are platforms like, say, Social Blade, who give you a lot of stats about people's page, but maybe you want to do something like this yourself on very specific channels, and you want to do something a bit different with the data. So you could do something like this and keep an eye on a specific channel or a specific product even, if they're a channel that's focused on specific types of products. So I hope you found that useful, and I hope you think that business case is a little bit interesting. I'm just trying to introduce more different use cases and such in regards to what you can do with Zapier and the different ways it can help you in your business. So if you found this video valuable, obviously I'd love and massively appreciate a thumbs up. It just means it lets me know that you're enjoying these videos and that the time I'm putting in is appreciated. And also it helps my videos get in front of more people like yourself who want to use Zapier in creative and cool ways in your business to save yourself time, to make yourself more money, and then you can also focus on the things you enjoy. So I'd really appreciate that thumbs up. And also an extra bonus is that I've got a free Zapier Jumpstart guide in the description. It's a guide I've put together of the things I feel someone should really know when they're starting out with Zapier. And I feel it's these things that you're often going to stumble into a little bit. These are the things that if you're just starting out and you aren't too technically minded, you might be a bit confused by some of these things. Like, say, for example, looking up a client in a CRM, those work with IDs normally as opposed to just emails and such like that. So I've put that guide together and it's completely free. So like I said, just give me a thumbs up and then go grab the free guide in the description, my gift to you, and I'll see you soon. Cheers.